Greg from Sugarland has a question about roof repair.
Well, he's not quite sure about a quote he got, Tom. Greg writes, when he saw this metal, the contractor, when he came out and he saw this metal flashing coming off the wall on top of the shingles, he said that the flashing was installed incorrectly. Okay? He said, the roofer, said that the shingles should go up all the way to the edge of the wall and should come down off the wall and go under the shingles, not on top. Greg wants to know, is that roofer right?
There's two situations right there. One is it's going down a slope. The other one is going down a straight line. You see that?
Yep.
Where you have the straight line, the metal's supposed to be on top. Where you have the slope, the metal's supposed to go underneath the shingles.
Ah.
So it's half and half on this particular picture. Okay, so it's just, if it's staying dry, it's staying dry. I'm good with it. I think down on that sloped area, that the rest of the metal is underneath the shingles. They just put that little bit on that cap.
Okay.
And so it's ugly. Now, you can take shingles and put them on top just for the visual.
Oh.
But you still need the shingles up underneath first when it goes on a straight line.
Okay, so
Okay.
the roofer who put it in did an okay job, but the other roofer was right partly then.
Well, if the roofer that put it in and it hasn't leaked, that's an okay
He was
job.
okay.
Yeah, that's okay.
It's kind of like they say in gardening.
That was,
A weed is something you don't want to grow.
Yeah,
For
it's
some people,
true.
roses are weeds.
That's
right.
right.
So in this case, the roof. If
Well,
it's working,
if the
he's
roof
right.
stayed dry, it's fine. I have a feeling there's still metal underneath. You just don't see it. And it's because it's going flat and then it goes down that slope. And they just continued that to make sure it's kind of doubled up.
But if you were doing your roof, you would want all of it under, or just the stuff.
The straight one goes on top of the shingles.
Okay.
But then you cut a little piece of shingle and you put it on top so it looks nice.
Oh, okay.
See, it's a visual thing on that
All right.
one. Okay?
All right. Good. There you go. You got a question? Go ahead and send it. We'll help you that way, just like that.
Just like that.
Okay, visit HomeShowRadio.com and fill out that Ask Tom form. We'll take it and answer it either in another one of these daily Ask Tom videos, our weekly Facebook Live,
Ding.
or Sunday morning on Early Edition.